Hi, welcome back to the third video of our section regarding extending Salesforce CRM. So in this video, we will now be discussing the Salesforce App Marketplace AppExchange and how we can install apps from it into your Salesforce implementation. The AppExchange is unique to Salesforce and provides a marketplace for custom apps to extend Salesforce and provides functionality outside of the normal, out-of-the-box Salesforce software. So apps in the AppExchange can either be paid or free and comes in different pricing models. So installation of most apps in the marketplace require little configuration and no custom coding is allowed for organizations to use the apps as soon as possible. So for our example, we will be first navigating the AppExchange and getting acquainted with the AppExchange interface first. Then we'll be moving on and installing an app called Add Multiple Opportunity Tasks, which is a nifty widget that allows us to create multiple tasks within a single interface. Then lastly, we will be discussing how to uninstall apps and how to recover or purge data from these uninstalled packages. So to start off, let's just go to Salesforce and go to the App Switcher dropdown and select AppExchange. So welcome to AppExchange. You can access and search for different apps by searching from the different collections and categories from the right sidebar. So from here, you can select all of the popular apps, the new apps, as well as free, as well as different collections. For example, Salesforce One Ready apps, small business apps, gamification apps, as well as different categories of apps like sales, customer service, marketing apps, IT and administration, and human resources apps, as well as specific industry solutions. So aside from using the different collections and filters, we could also use the universal search on the top of the screen. So for example, if we type in add multiple opportunity, please take note that AppExchange is not just for apps. It's also a marketplace for consulting partners within Salesforce, developers, as well as if you're a Salesforce developer, jobs within the Salesforce space. So let's just search for the app called Add Multiple Opportunity Tasks and click on search box. So basically this search will return all relevant results based on our search term. So let's select the app authored by Salesforce Labs, which is Add Multiple Opportunity Tasks. Click on that one. So on the app details page, we can view the different details regarding the app, from viewing a basic overview of the app, user reviews, and down to complete information about the app that will include pricing and specific Salesforce and system requirements. So if you click on the details, you can see all of that specific details about the app. So this includes what components will be installed, the support agreement, the package details, as well as the Salesforce edition that this particular AppExchange app supports. So to start installing the app, just click on Get It Now and click on Log into AppExchange. So select Install in Production since we are installing directly to a developer or for Mojo. So click on Install in Production. So let's click on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and click on Confirm and Install. So on the next screen, we can view the different custom components that will be installed as part of the app. From the screen, we can also see if the app authorizes any remote access to any external server. So let's hit Continue after reviewing these details. On the next page, we can see all of the different access levels our app will have access on the objects from our organization. This is simply a reference and cannot be edited. So if you are okay with this sort of security setting for this app, just click on Next to allow this setting. On the next screen, we are asked what level of security or access we want to give to users on the different components of the app. Considering we want all users to be able to use this app right away, let's select Grant Access to All Users and click on Next. Alternatively, you could also select a specific security setting, giving different set of access to different profiles in the system. So let's just return it to grant access to all users and click on Next. So that's it. Our package is ready and able to be installed within the system. So let's just click on install to finalize our installation. So please take note that not all apps are the same. Some apps will have different sort of setup instructions, wherein you have to modify page layouts and record types as part of that app. So just please be careful when installing other apps within your organization. So since we just installed this app, so in any case, if you want to uninstall any of the apps in your Salesforce implementation, uninstalling these apps is relatively easy. So to start off, let's just go to the setup menu and go to installed packages. So from here, you can see all of the installed packages in the system. Currently, we have 2 installed packages, like add multiple opportunity tasks and tube catcher. To uninstall an app, just click uninstall under the actions column for that specific package. So let's just uninstall the package that we just installed earlier and click on uninstall. Next, a summary of all the components to be removed will be displayed on the screen. It is also on the screen where the number of records that will be deleted in the case that the custom object is part of this app. So let's click on save a copy of this package's data for 48 hours. So this allows us to recover any data in case we lost it, or actually just back up data. So let's click on yes, I want to uninstall this package and permanently delete all associated components. So after successful uninstallation, you will be redirected to the packages list page. From this section of the page, we can see a new section called uninstalled packages on the lower part of the screen. Here, our newly uninstalled app is listed and available. We can choose to permanently remove all data and components of the system from our Salesforce implementation by clicking on delete under the actions menu. Click on delete, then click on OK. So this will purge all components and data of that particular app if it comes with data. So there you have it. So we just permanently remove our installed package from our Salesforce implementation. So that's it. We have just gone through the AppExchange marketplace and how to navigate and install apps from it. So in this video, we were able to discuss the following. First is we navigated the AppExchange marketplace. Second, we learned how to install apps. And last, we learned how to remove and uninstall apps from the system. So in the next video, we will be discussing how to customize the standard Salesforce homepage.